very first episode of Distance Eagle News. Since we're all stuck at home, the Eagle News cast has decided to put on an at-home version of the show. Let's head over to Sophie with today's weather report.
Thanks, Tegan. Good morning, Eagles. My name is Sophie, and I am your weather reporter. So let's start off with today's weather. Today's weather will be partly cloudy with a high of 66 degrees and a low of 50. There will be only 20% chance of precipitation throughout the day, but leading on to the night, there will be 100% chance of rain. It will be very rainy. Throughout the day of Friday, it will also be a very cloudy day. You can still go outside and enjoy the nice weather. Next up is Saturday's weather. There is a high of 67 and a low of 56. Although that sounds great, there will be 90% chance of rainstorms and thunderstorms throughout the day. Next up is our last report for this episode of Eagle News. Sunday's weather will include a high of 60 degrees and a low of 40 degrees. It will be very windy outside, so be careful. Thanks for watching, Eagles. My name is Sophie, and I'm the weather reporter. Back to you, Tegan.
Thanks for that amazing weather report, Sophie. On this day in history, the Israel-Egyptian peace agreement was signed. Dr. Jonas Salk announced that he had created a vaccine for polio, and in 1804, Thomas Jefferson was presented with a mammoth loaf of bread. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make chili.
Hi, Eagles. This is Tiffany, and we're going to teach you how to make quick and easy chili. Let's get to it.
Add 1 pound of beef into a 12-inch skillet. Brown the beef on medium-high heat. Drain the beef and then place it back on the heat. Add 1 envelope of Lipton Recipe Secrets Beefy Onion Soup Mix. Also add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 16-ounce can of red kidney beans, 1.5 cups of water, and 4 teaspoons of chili powder. Stir the ingredients, reduce heat to low, cover the pan. Let the chili simmer for 20 minutes. And the chili is done. You can top it with sour cream or add cheese on top.
Thanks for watching, Eagles.
Bye. You can make chili for dinner, and Ella can teach you how to make edible cookie dough for dessert.
Hello, and welcome to Quarantine Recipes with Ella, Reagan, and Hadley. Today we are making edible cookie dough. Let's get started.
The first step is to wash your hands. You should always wash your hands before you cook. Step 2 is to add 2 cups of flour into a bowl that's microwave safe and level it off so that it's even. Step 4 is to heat treat your flour by putting it in the microwave for 60 seconds. This is important because it kills all the chemicals that don't get killed in the oven. Set your flour aside and put 1 cup of light brown packed sugar into a different bowl. Step 5 is to add in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Step 6, microwave 1 cup of butter to soften it, don't melt it. You want to mix together your butter alone so that it's not clumpy when you mix it in with the dry ingredients. Now use a hand mixer to mix together the sugar and the butter. Step 8, add in 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Now add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually mix in your flour, don't do it all at once. Now add in as many chocolate chips as you want.
Thanks for watching our video on how to make edible cookie dough. It doesn't have any eggs in it, so you can, and it doesn't bake either, so it's just cookie dough. That's how you make it. Thank you for watching, and bye.
If you've already tried our quarantine recipes, Mr. Mehta can teach you some fun places to go to get some fresh air. Roll it!
Hi everybody, it's Mr. Mehta. I'm here with Emmy Claire. Say hi, Emmy Claire.
Hi.
And we are at Deer Haven Park, going for a walk. Lots of trails around here, not too long, but it's nice to get outside while we're all in quarantine. So one thing you can do that you're allowed to do is go to one of these nature preserves, one of these parks, go for a walk, keep your social distancing away 6 feet from your strangers, and enjoy the beautiful parks around here. in Delaware County. All right, back to the newsroom.
Mr. Mehta actually made 2 videos this week, so now let's watch Mr. Mehta's version of Family Feud's Fast Money.
It's time to play Family Feud!
Hey everybody, we're here live for Eagle News Distance Learning. We're here to do Fast Money with teachers, and our first contestant is Mr. Nicolosi. How you doing, sir?
I'm great, man. Thanks.
I see that we shaved better than yesterday.
I did shave. Yesterday was the only day I didn't shave.
I had like 2 inches of, 2 millimeters of hair up here. So I had to shave it off.
There
All right,
you
so
go.
here are the rules for Fast Money. We have five Family Feud cards, 5 questions. You get 20 seconds on the clock. And here we go. Ready?
I think so.
All right, here we go. Question number 1. The timer will start when I'm done asking the first question.
Okay.
All right, ready? Name a country older than the United States.
Italy.
Name a professional sports team named after a bird.
Cardinals. St. Louis Cardinals.
Name something in your house with 4 legs.
Dog.
Name something you like to be alone to do.
Reed.
Read. Name something kids are told to take turns using. I'm probably going to buzz you on that one.
I froze.
There you go. That's all I needed. Thank you. I will let you know your points when I finish editing
0 for the
this
last
video.
one.
Let's see how Mr. Nicolosi did. And now welcome to the stage, Mrs. Sloan, Mr. Nicolosi's opponent. All right, everybody, we're here with Mrs. Sloan. Say hi, Mrs. Sloan.
Hi guys, how you doing?
All right, we're here. You're against Mr. Nicolosi in today's trivia.
He's going down.
Fast Money. He's going down, huh?
Going down.
Uh-oh, someone's knocking on the door. Hey, we're doing Fast Money right now, Adam. Get out of
Get out of
here.
here, Adam. I need to win. I need to beat Mr. Nicolosi.
All right, so you only get 20 seconds as well.
Oh gosh, okay.
All right, you ready? Name a country older than the United States.
Dude, I teach math. China.
Name a professional sports team named after a bird.
Cardinals.
Name something you like to do alone.
Read.
Name something in your house with 4 legs.
Table.
Name something kids are told to take turns using.
Boys.
Ding, 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 ding. Very good, Mrs. Sloan.
Yeah, did I beat him?
I can't tell you if you beat him, but I will tell. You will find out on Thursday when we do the news, when we do this on the news.
Okay, well if I don't beat him, you have to re-record this so I do beat him.
Let's see how Mrs. Sloan did. Mrs. Sloan's the winner.
I want to end the show by reminding everybody to stay healthy, stay active, and to wash your hands. The Eagle Newscast really hopes you enjoyed this episode of Eagle News. Bye!